So I just stumbled upon this Python library called modshim, and it totally blew my mind. It's all about enhancing existing modules without altering their source code.
Wait, seriously, how does that even work? I mean, it sounds like monkey patching, but cleaner.
Exactly, it overlays custom functionality, so you can fix bugs or add features without forking or messing with the original code.
That's interesting. So like, if I wanted to add a prefix to each line of a text wrapped by the text wrap module, I could do that.
Yes, you just create your own module that subclasses the existing text wrapper, and then modshim does its magic to combine them.
Okay, let me wrap my head around this. You're saying I can keep the original behavior intact while adding my enhancements.
Yep, the original module remains untouched, which is a huge advantage over traditional monkey patching.
But doesn't that make it harder to track which modifications are in play? I mean, it's like bringing shadows into the light.
Great point, but modshim creates a clear separation, so you import from your new, enhanced module instead of the original.
So you avoid that global pollution issue. I hate when modifications affect everything else in the code.
Exactly, it's like having a custom filter for your coffee without changing the entire coffee machine.
That's a delightful analogy. But I wonder if it could lead to complications when the original module updates.
Good concern, however, modshim allows you to maintain your enhancements without full control of the original library.
Okay, so it's lightweight compared to forking. But how does it handle the nuances of module imports?
It rewrites the abstract syntax trees, ASDs, during import, so everything works seamlessly without breaking the original flow.
That's clever. It sounds like a built-in safety net to make sure everything connects nicely.
Absolutely, and it even supports recursion so it can handle submodules efficiently.
Now about the retry mechanism for requests you mentioned. How does that fit in?
That's a great example. You can create an enhanced session class that automatically configures retries when using requests.
So I could add retry logic without changing the core requests library. That's super handy.
Right? You can just import your enhanced version and it integrates with the existing requests functionality.
I can see the appeal, but what about the potential downsides? Everything sounds too good to be true.
While you might face issues if the original library changes significantly, your enhancements could become incompatible.
That makes sense. Is there a way to make it easier to handle those updates?
Definitely, keeping your enhancements modular makes it easier to adapt when the original library gets an update.
That's a solid strategy. But what about the learning curve? Is it easy to get started with modshim?
Surprisingly, yes, once you grasp the concept, it's pretty straightforward to implement.
So if I wanted to try it out, I could just set up a simple enhancement and see how it goes.
Exactly, you can create a simple package, use modshim to overlay enhancements, and see the results instantly.
I love that it feels like an experiment without the risk of messing everything up.
Exactly, it's like playing with Legos. You can build and rebuild without losing the original pieces.
I might have to dive into this. It sounds like a game changer for Python developers.
Totally, and it opens doors for collaboration without the baggage of forks or vendor copies.
You know, this really challenges how we think about modifying existing libraries.
Right? It's a refreshing approach to customization and enhancement.
But will it replace forking entirely? What do you think?
Not entirely. Forking still has its place, especially for significant changes or long-term maintenance.
I can see that, but modshim definitely fills a niche for quick enhancements.
Exactly, it's a tool in the toolbox, giving developers more options.
And that's what makes it exciting. I can't wait to see how the community will adopt it.
I'm curious to see the innovative ways people will enhance their Python projects with it.
For sure, it's like opening a door to new creative possibilities.
And it makes you wonder what else could be improved in the Python ecosystem.
Definitely, this is just the tip of the iceberg. What other features could emerge?
That's an exciting thought. The potential for customization is vast.
I'm looking forward to exploring modshim. This is a game changer.
Same here, let's keep an eye on how it evolves in the community.
Absolutely. Who knows what we'll discover next?